Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to reset the TPMS tire light and how to relearn the tire sensors. This video should apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. On this vehicle I do not have a tire light on, but I will use it to demonstrate on how to clear that TPMS light. Now how this basically works: first you have to access the tire learn mode through the vehicle settings, and then you will need to use the TPMS scanner to be able to reset each sensor and relearn it. Now the thing is, you can try doing it without the scanner. Sometimes it works. So instead of relearning each of the sensors, you will have to release the air from each of the tires, and if you're lucky that will work out for you. If not, you'll have to get the scanner. Now you can most likely rent these scanners from any tire shop in your area. At least that's how it works in Canada. If not, you can maybe buy a cheaper one online and then you can use it on any vehicle in the future. You will be using this the buttons on this turn signal light switch. You'll have the menu button, you'll have this scroll button up and down, and you'll have the OK set button right here. So first press this menu button once, and that will get you to vehicle information menu, and then you'll be using this knob. You can turn it up or down to scroll through the menu options. So you want to reach tire pressure, and once you are here, you will press and hold this button on the side. Hold it for maybe 5 seconds. Now on your vehicle, if one of the sensors is not reading, you will have a blank. But to reset it and relearn it, you'll have to do all 4. So press that button and keep holding it, and you will get a question: are you sure that you want to relearn? So turn this knob up to select yes, and then again press this button, and you will hear the horn beeps twice, and now you can proceed outside and relearn each of the sensors. Now I will show you how this works with the scanner, but if you don't have one, then try to release the air from the tire and hope it works, and then if it works, you will hear the horn beep. I will quickly show how these scanners work. So pretty much I have to select here service TPMS, then I have to select make, model and year. So it's a Chevy Cruze, mine is 2011. And now OBD to relearn would be to relearn the sensors with the high-end scanner, and manual relearn is using this cheaper tire scanner. Now this is the instructions on how to do it, which I just showed you. And now once this shows up, I can proceed outside, and you always have to do it starting from the front left tire, then front right, and rear left. Okay, so first you want to approach the front left tire and press scan. This might take up to 10 seconds. And once the sensor is recognized, you will get the green pass light and the horn will beep. Also you will get all this information here: battery status, PSI, temperature, and things like that. Once done, press OK and move to the front right. Good to go. Next one. Scan. Okay, see, now it didn't recognize it. I'll press scan again. Sometimes it doesn't work right away for some reason. and I will press OK and move on to the last one. Scan. I will try it again. And that's it. Once everything is done, the horn will beep twice, and that means the programming was successful. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.